Well, you may think that all you need to do after an accident is call your insurance company and head to the hospital with any injuries. But before you cut that help off of those two, you're going to need to consider hiring an attorney to get what's rightfully yours. Personal injury attorney Richard Griffin of Griffin Law Firm is here to break down why it is so important to immediately reach out to an attorney.
Absolutely. Well, the insurance companies, their job and the adjuster's job is to try to settle it, deny the claim, or settle it for as little as possible. So they have a lot of resources, a lot of experience. The only way to really even that playing field is to hire an attorney, and making sure you hire the right attorney, the one that's going to listen to you and keep you updated with your case. That's going to make the biggest difference in how much you eventually get in your case.
And Richard, some people might think, why do I need one that may actually cost me more in the end?
Well, that's a good question.
Yeah, why is it worth it?
As you can imagine, insurance adjusters are going to, if their goal is to pay you as little as possible, if you don't have an attorney fighting for you, then they're going to win the battle. There's been studies that have shown that typically you're going to get 3.5 times more money if you hire an attorney than if you try to do it yourself. 3.5 times is a lot of money. So paying that small attorney fee versus netting a lot more, it makes a whole lot of sense to hire the attorney.
Absolutely. Okay, now here's a question a lot of people are wondering. Are you guys all the same? all attorneys, or how do you keep yourself separate from everybody else?
Right. Well, attorneys are just like they're different personalities, they're different talent levels, experience levels. Finding the attorney that's going to meet your needs and specialize in personal injury and be able to really keep that communication as it needs to be, and then someone who's really willing to fight hard for you. Those are the big factors. We have been blessed because a lot of our clients, they come back to us, and that's important. That lets me know we're doing the right thing. We want to make sure we deliver everything that we promise, and in fact we want to deliver even more so that they'll remember us, and they'll keep that number 877 Pain Law handy, so that when they need us again, or if they have a family member that needs us, they'll remember to give us a call.
Or they could call right now, because you guys are literally on the hot seat, ready to go as soon as someone calls. Now, you just hit the nail on the head saying that you're keeping an open communication. You actually have clients who have come in not just once, but coming to you second time.
We have. You're going to hear from one of my actual clients in his own words. He's going to describe how he had, over the course of a short period of time, about 6 months, we were able to get him a workers' comp settlement and a personal injury settlement. And I remember on the workers' comp settlement, he had another attorney that he wasn't happy with. Things weren't moving right. He decided he needed to change. He hired us, and inside of 60 days, we got him $75,000. Now, he was wanting to settle for $60,000 because he needed the money right then. And I said, look, give me 5 more days to work, and I think it'll really pay off. We got him $75,000. Then, within a couple of months, unfortunately, he had another accident. It was a head-on collision, and he needed us again. And we were able to get him the medical treatment he needed on a lien, and then we got him all the policies stacked in a $80,000 recovery. So he was very, very happy. And it turned out that, as happens often, his wife got injured on the job, and we were able to help her as well. So we can listen to how he felt about that representation now.
And that's a good chain reaction to have. You help out the gentleman, then his wife needs you. Yeah, let's go ahead and find out, because he was absolutely impressed by you guys.
When my workman's comp claim happened in August, approximately 6 months later, I was involved in an auto accident. The lady ran a red light and T-boned me. And 877 Pain Law took that case. And within approximately 10 months, they settled both cases around $155,000. And I couldn't ask for any better.
Richard, thank you. So people can literally call you right now. They can call you again later after you help them the first time, and just keep that ball rolling, especially if you know of anybody else, like you said, who needs help. Shoot them right over to you. Richard, thank you. Thank you. Now, to contact the Griffin Law Firm, call 877 Pain Law, or you can log on to their website, 877painlaw.com.